speed to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop.
Select Connect. Please check again and connect the wallet again. Select Connect Wallet. So you have successfully connected your wallet. Note: to buy the premium silver package you need 30 USDT and BNB as a fee. Choose the silver package. Enter the email where you want to buy the silver package. Select Buy Premium. Select Buy. Select Next. Select Approve. Select Confirm. Okay, so you have successfully purchased the premium silver package. Let's return to the Athene application. Booster has been increased by 4,000% after purchasing the silver package. Please exit the application and log back in to see the premium silver package update. Thank you for watching the entire video. Goodbye.